Alright boys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm picking up right where I left off from the last video. I talked about the steering rack already. That came off pretty straightforward. The engine is obviously ready to come off. It's just holding off the two mounts on the side. So it looks like I got way more room now in the back for me to be able to well, this is my plan. I'm gonna try to obviously put on the cherry picker, take this side off, obviously this side too, and I'm gonna try to tilt it down this way at an angle, and then when I tilt it and clear the bottom, I should be able to go down enough to turn it and pull it out this way. Yeah, I don't see why I can't do that, so you should be able to do it. I don't see why not. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, if I have the worst case scenario, if I have to take the T case off, I'll take it off, but I really doubt I have to. So, well, like I said, there's way more room now that the subframe is not there. This one seemed a little harder because I didn't know what I was doing. But after I got that steering rack out, it seemed like it was fairly easy now. So, I don't know. I might be speaking too soon. I gotta wait until I get the engine out. So let's get the cherry picker ready. Gotta bring it out here and start taking this shit out. And hopefully, I'm gonna try to get as far as putting the engine on the engine stand, because I am leaving to San Francisco for the week for work. So my plan is to leave this shit on the engine stand and have it ready for me to take it apart when I get back, because I'm not gonna do that today. So, but let's see. Let's get it. Ooh. It's going. Of course. Jesus. I might do that one by hand. No. I wasn't asking. No trick. Come on. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Something I learned back when I was a millwright. I don't trust the transmission. It seems like it's a lot of weight, a lot of counterweight. So I'm gonna end up strapping it like I did the VR4 engine. So just taking safety measures, I guess. Oh, yeah. Oh no. I'm gonna stay away. Fuck this. Woo. Woo. Alright, so I was able to turn it around. It was a little tough because those studs were getting everything. But it seems like it should come out now. So I gotta move it back this way. And it looks like I have plenty of room over here, so we'll see. If not, like I said, I'll have to take the T case off. But it doesn't seem like I have to. fucking camera died, so I had to go charge it a little bit. But still doing the same thing I was doing before, tilting the motor and going up. It's close, it's close. Have like a couple of inches of wiggle room. Beautiful, beautiful. Should be able to pull it out a little more. Looks like it's gonna come out that way, boys. Yep. Look at that. No? That. Nice. Damn! And grease on this thing next time. Fuck this. Come on, big orca. Oh, this bitch is out, bro. Or not. Look at that. That's nice. Alright. Let's get this T-case off, boys. Damn.
What a mess.
Right?
What the
Bro, I'm fucking tired. This shit was a bitch to take off. So if you guys are taking this shit off, good luck. Alright, so before I take off any bolt from the transmission mount, I have to get in here and take this rubber off and take off a clip that's holding the throwout bearing. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now as soon as I get this slave cylinder out. A lot of people struggle with this. I don't see why, but I'm about to find out. Alright, so I ended up doing it already. You see it's free. When you start, this thing is like set here. So what you want to do is you want to pull it back with your hand. Oh shit, I might have just clipped it back in. Fuck, I did. Son of a bitch. Alright, let me just do it right now. There you go. Got it. All you gotta do is pry it off. So you see it's free again. So, whew. Just work your screwdriver around the top of the clip and then the bottom. And you should be able to just take it off. So that's off now. Now all I gotta do is bolt the transmission. Yeah, got him. Whew. That's nice. All right, boys. Whew. All right, this is for those of you guys want to know, this is a unique performance clutch. It's I think they're a small business right over there by Victorville. I found out about them, and their clutches are pretty inexpensive. And this is the ACT flywheel, and the clutch is a unique performance clutch. But these clutches, they're pretty good. It's not bad for 400 bucks. They're there. It obviously handled 500 horsepower like nothing. So, and it's good for daily driving. So I thought they're pretty cool. You can find them on Facebook if you guys are interested in trying this clutch out. But other than that, just get this fucking clutch out. I think these are gonna be 12 millimeters, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up having to buy another clutch Come on, bitch boy. Get on up out of here. Not messing around with you anymore, boy. Woo, damn. Oh shit, this shit's gonzo. Yeah, I read the shit out of that clutch, huh? What the fuck? I don't have this tool. Fucking. What's this? What the hell? Damn, this just burnt the fuck out. Yeah, this is gone, bro. Damn. Yep, clutch is gone. Flywheel's gone too, man. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Alright, so all these are just they're 19mm with a 12 tooth socket. So I was discouraged for a little bit. Should work. I don't like how there's not a lot of meat to hold on to, but might be alright. Shit cool. Cool. Don't forget to fucking label your shit. Stupid shit. There you have it, boys. All right, fucking running out of room. Yeah, I've been driving that bitch. I gotta post some videos of me driving that shit. Alright. Alright, boys. As soon as I got the engine on the mount, I went to I started cleaning up and went straight to the shower because I was fucking full of oil. But there you have it. This is how you just remove your engine off your EVO. I didn't have to take the whole engine off with the subframe, none of that shit. I think I did it differently, a little bit different than how other people do it. Like I mentioned before, a lot of people lift the whole car up and leave the motor on the floor and shit. But either way, you can do it this way too. I wanted to leave everything cleaned up before I head out to San Francisco tomorrow. So I'm happy I was able to get the engine out and leave it on the engine stand. But as far as this video is going to go, I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm not too sure if I did that good of a job explaining how I did everything, but I hope I did. And if I didn't, I hope you guys were able to see enough for you guys to do it yourselves, you know what I mean? But it wasn't that bad. I think it was more intimidating because I haven't worked on this engine. But overall, I don't think it was that bad. So yeah, the next video is I'm probably gonna take apart the whole engine. I'm gonna try to save some money and just buy the block, a build block. But we'll see what happens. And yeah, I think that's it, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.